Hi guys, welcome back again to the show. It's your boy Ben, and today we gonna react New Jeans Bubblegum. And sabi nyo bakit nauna pa yung How Sweet kaysa sa Bubblegum? And I never heard Bubblegum. Okay, hindi ko pa narinig yung Bubblegum pero narinig ko yung How Sweet. So that's kind of crazy because Bubblegum is 3 months old na. Ang bilis, no? 3 months na agad yung Bubblegum. And because it's June already. July na pala. April, May, June. July. It was released on April kasi busy ako ng April. So, yun nga guys, I never react to Bubblegum. So that's a kind of, hindi ko alam kung bakit. So, we're gonna react again. We're gonna react Bubblegum. So, let's go.
안녕, 난 혜인이야. 오늘은 내가 비눗방울을 만드는 법을 가르쳐 줄게.
Okay.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷.
Ooh. 60 FPS. Okay. Ito yung nag-short hair si Honey. Okay. Okay. Okay, Honey.
I'm always so excited to meet you. 향기가 날 먼저 찾아가. Yeah. 네가 말도 기억나게. 어디라도 따라갈래. It's so delicate. 꿈 속에 숨어내. Oh, you make my heart melt away. You're softy.
Oh, the Y2K bike.
이거 말로 설명 못해. You got me. 이미 우리 저기 멀리 높이 있는 풍선 같이.
That's a great transition.
In a basket. Oh, my baby, sweet like bubblegum. Bouncing like rainbow. And I'll be on the drum.
You Honey?
Gonna fly away. Sweet like bubblegum. So sweet, soft like a hug. 더 많이 날려줘.
How do you feel?
Let's
Yes,
go
it's like,
far away.
yes, it's like,
You know, favorite.
Oh, Daniel. Hey, that's Daniel. Okay, Harry. That is actually good. Aesthetic and Y2K. I can't do that. I cannot do that. I paid the money. Oh, hey, it's so tough to get that. Oh, this is a cat. Wait, Jack. Oh, poor me. Hey, good.
Let's go far away. 네가 말을 기억나게 어디라도 따라갈래. You're so delicate 내 꿈속에 숨었네. Oh, you make my heart melt away. You're so sweet 그림 같아. 이건 말로 설명 못해. You got me. 이미 우리 저기 멀리 높이 있는 풍선 같이 Have you got here in a basket? 이미 우리 저기 멀리 높이
And that's a
있는
good
풍선
song.
같이 Have you right here in a basket? Oh my baby, sweet like bubblegum.
Wow.
너 정말 잘한다. 한 번 더 해볼래? 넌 역시 짱이야. 나랑 친구할래?
Wow. Okay, that's a good song. Nagsisi ako kung bakit hindi ko to listen. I didn't listen to this 4 months ago. 3 months ago. Damn. Nagsisi ako bakit hindi ko nilatan agad. Oh my god, it's kind of crazy. Kind of crazy to think that I skipped this, even though I'm a Toki ako I skipped this because I quite busy ako like 3 months ago. Yeah, 3 months ago I was super busy. Kaya hindi ko na-react siya agad. Hindi ko siya pinakinggan. Nauna ko pa pakinggan yung House Sweet. Okay guys, I'm very sorry sa mga toki dyan. Oh my God. Nagsisi talaga ako. Okay, I'm very sorry that I didn't react agad. So, but the song, wow! It's actually good. You know, feeling ko yung Y2K na aesthetic yung song. And wow, I dig this song. Favorite ko pa to. Man, even though I'm late, this is my still favorite. Kahit late na. Yun nga. So guys, we can still react. But this time with subtitles. Let's go.
안녕, 난 혜인이야. 오늘은 내가 비눗방울을 만드는 법을 가르쳐 줄게.
So bubbles. So bubbles is like a bubble yung na-blow mo at yung bubble gum. Okay. I really like how they make this. They made this is like an actual nasa cam lang gamit like the video cam, hindi yung parang yung parang ginagawa sa movie na camera. But I don't know guys, yung ito is actually good. Hindi ko alam kung edit lang or it's the camera itself na talaga ginamit nila. Kasi nowadays you can edit like that in yung may design like camera thing. But I don't think na siguro edit lang. I don't think it's edit. They're actually cute here. Naman sa lahat dito.
You just get my heart pumping every time that you hear me. 노래 소리가 들려나 봐.
The beat is actually good. Yung umpisa pa lang, okay?
You just get my heart pumping every time that you hear me. 노래 소리가 들려나 봐.
Ang cute, man.
오늘 노래 calling you. I'm always so excited to meet you. 내 향기가 널 먼저
Wait.
찾아가. Yeah. 누가 봐도 기억나게 어디 봐도 따라갈래. You're so delicate 속에.
They're playing Jolens. Or Jolens pa tawagin. I think, yeah, it's Jolens. Dito sa Pinas, we play that kind of Jolens. Hindi ganito, but we do like this. Ginagayit namin and we enjoy it on circles. Kung sino, dapat matanggal mo lahat na Jolens doon sa circles. So, ganun.
가슴만에 Oh, you make my heart melt away. You're softy 구름 같아. 이거 말로 설명 못해. You got me 이미 우리 저기 멀리 높이 있네. 항상 같이 heavy right here in a basket. Oh my baby, sing like bubblegum. Now sing like rainbow.
Oh my God, honey. Oh my God, honey, honey, honey. Oh my God. Kalma lang, honey.
Oh my
Honey is my bias, okay?
baby, sing like bubblegum. Now sing like rainbow. And 높이 올려줘. We're gonna fly away. Sweet like bubblegum. So sweet like a hug.
I like how they play. Yung iniwasan ni honey yung dagat.
Sweet like bubblegum. So sweet
Then Minji is...
like
Minji
a hug. 한마디 날려줘. Let's go far away. You know, favorite
Ooh, you can see yung paggawa dito, man. It's actually quite angelic yung kay Daniel. Kay Daniel since actually angelic here. You can see that. Her voice, so majestic. I like the beat. I like the beat. I'm gonna make it.
나만 알고 싶은 비밀 All I know is I need this feeling 내 여기가 널 먼저 사로잡아 Yeah. 누가 봐도 기억나게 어디 가도 따라갈래
Hey.
You're so delicate 고통 속에 숨어는 Oh, you make my heart melt away
sorry guys. I'm keep dancing, man. Ang ganda ng beat. Oh my god. I really like this song.
Make my heart melt away. You're a softie, 그런 것 같아.
Hey.
이거 말로 쓰면 못해. You got
Hey.
me. Sweet like bubblegum. Fancy like cotton ball. 더 높이 올려줘. We're gonna fly away. Sweet like bubblegum.
Bubblegum?
Soft like a hug. 더 멀리 들려줘. Let's go far away. 네가 나를 빛나게 어디라도 따라갈래. 있을 땐 이렇게 덕분 속에 숨었네. Oh, you make my heart melt away. You're salty, 그런 같아. 이거 말로 설명 못해. You got me. 이미 우린 저기
Hey.
멀리 높이 있는 풍선같이 in a basket. Baby, sweet like that. 이미 우린 저기 멀리 높이 있는 풍선같이
Hey.
baby, right here in a basket. Oh my baby, sweet like bubblegum.
Woo!
나랑 친구할래?
Okay. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Okay, New Jeans. Okay, New Jeans. Oh my god, this is my favorite song of out of the talaga sa How Sweet. If narinig ko tong una talaga, man. Ba't di ko to narinig una pa lang? Fucking stupid. Kasi hindi ko to nirinig yung una pa lang. Then, nagsisi talaga ako. I didn't listen to this. But I will say, man, this song is actually on fire. I will give this a 10 out of 10. All of the really stand out, especially Honey. Man, Honey! Wow! I'm very sorry, boy fan. I'm a fanboy ako, okay? Fanboy ni Honey. Of course, New Jeans, bias ko talaga si Honey since their debut. And wow! So it's actually reminds me of Y2K na aesthetic. Okay, most of the song sa kanila, di ba? Mostly of the song is Y2K aesthetic. It's kind of chill song. Kung gusto yung if you're having a bad mood, I will try to listen this. Mas maganda pa, okay? Mawala talaga yung lahat ng problema niyo, okay? New Jeans is life. Ganon. So, yung parang ganon na nga. Okay? All the really stand out, I would not say anything bad. I'm really shocked, okay? I'm really shocked the song is 3 minutes and 4 seconds. Even though alam ko may ano pa doon. I think the song is like 3 minutes 10 seconds or 3 minutes and 20 seconds yung song. But I'm glad it's that long, okay? Mas maganda pa yun, man. And wow, man, the vocals, the visuals, everything else in here, yung cinematic, and it's not cinematic, pero yung pagkuha ng mga videos actually amazing. I'm surprised, okay? I'm surprised how good the song it is. And na-expect ko na maganda yung song, but I will not expect how amazing it is. So yeah, and this again, nagsising ako, di ko mapinakinggan ng unang patupad. Yun nga guys. But guys, if you like this video, please like, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more. And please mga Toki bunnies, please stream Bubblegum even though it's finished na. But we can still stream. But guys, I would say the song's actually good. It's amazing. And wala akong masabing pangit talaga. Guys, yun lang. And see you in the next video.